Hello friends, let's discuss some of the important MCQs on citizenship of India. Which article comes under citizenship of India? Articles from 1 to 4, option B articles from 5 to 11, option C articles from 12 to 20, option D articles from 21 to 23. The right answer is option B articles from 5 to 11. It comes under citizenship of India. In which part of Indian Constitution does citizenship comes under? Option A part 1, option B part 2, option C part 3, option D part 4. The right answer is option B part 2. Which one among the following has the power to regulate the right of citizenship of India? Option A the Parliament, option B the Supreme Court, option C the President, option D the Union Cabinet. The right answer is option A the Parliament. In which year Parliament passed the Citizenship Act? Option A 1950, option B 1952, option C 1955, option D 1957. The right answer is option C 1955. Under which of the following conditions are citizenship be provided in India? One should born in India, either of whose parents was born in India, who has been ordinary resident of India for not less than 5 years. Choose one of the options below. Option A either 1 or 2 or 3. Option B 1 and 2 only. Option C 2 and 3 only. Option D 1, 2 and 3. The right answer is option A either 1 or 2 or 3. So this is a fill in the blank question. Aadhaar is a program to dash. Option A to help children, to help senior citizens, to help women. Option D to provide identity to Indian residents. The right answer is option D to provide identity to Indian residents. Which country accepted the policy of dual citizenship? Option A India, option B Australia, option C USA, option D Canada. The right answer is option C USA. Single citizenship of India has been adopted from which country? Option A USA, option B Canada, option C Britain, option D both B and C, that is Canada and Britain. The right answer is option D both Canada and Britain. Which of the following statements regarding the acquisition of Indian citizenship is correct? Option A, if born in India, only that person can acquire citizenship, at least one of whose parents is an Indian. Option B, if citizen is to be acquired by registration, 6 months residence in India is essential. Option C, rules regarding the citizenship of India shall not be applicable to Jammu and Kashmir. Option D, if citizenship is acquired by naturalization, the person concerned must have resided in India for 5 years. The right option is option A. If born in India, only that person can acquire citizenship, at least one of whose parents is an Indian. To acquire citizenship by registration, a person must have been resided in India for dash immediately before making an application. Option A 6 months, option B 1 year, option C 3 years, option D 5 years. The right answer is option D 5 years. Under which constitutional amendment provision of minimum age as 18 for the citizens of India was made to become eligible to vote? Option A 45th Amendment Act, option B 61st Amendment Act, option C 80th Amendment Act, option D 60th Amendment Act. The right answer is option B 61st Amendment Act. In which of the following years the Citizenship Act has been amended? Option A 1986, option B 1992, option C 2003, option D 2005, option E all of the above. The right answer is option A 1986. The right answer is option B 1992. The right answer is option D 2003. The right answer is option C 2005. Option D 2005. Option E all of the above. 2003. Option D all of the above. 2005. Option E all of the above. 2003. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. 2005. The right answer is all of the above. The Citizenship Act has been amended in the year 1986, 1992, 2003 as well as 2005. Which article deals with the rights of citizenship of certain persons of Indian origin residing outside India? Option A, Article 6, option B, Article 10, option C, Article 8, option D, Article 5. The right answer is option C, Article 8. Which article describes about Parliament shall have the power to make any provision with respect to acquisition and termination of citizenship and all matters relating to citizenship? Option A, Article 8, option B, Article 6, option C, Article 10, option D, Article 11. The right answer is option D, Article 11. Which Citizenship Amendment Act makes provision for dual citizenship for PIO, person of Indian origin? Option A, Citizenship Amendment Act of 1986. Option B, the Citizenship Amendment Act of 1992. Option C, the Citizenship Amendment Act of 2003. Option D, the Citizenship Amendment Act of 2005. The right answer is option D, the Citizenship Amendment Act of 2005. Which committee recommended in its report to grant overseas Indian citizenship to the people of Indian origin? Option A, States Committee. Option B, Steering Committee. Option C, Singhvi Committee. Option D, none. The right answer is option C, Singhvi Committee. According to the Citizenship Act 1955, by which of the following ways can a person lose citizenship of India? Option A, by termination. Option B by renunciation. Option C, by deprivation. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Which article describes about no person shall be a citizen of India or be deemed to be a citizen of India if he has voluntarily acquired the citizenship of any foreign state? Option A, Article 6. Option B, Article 7. Option C, Article 8. Option D, Article 9. The right answer is option D, Article 9. Which article describes about a person who migrated to Pakistan from India after March 1st, 1947, but later returned to India for resettlement could become an Indian citizen? Option A, Article 5. Option B, Article 6. Option C, Article 7. Option D, Article 8. The right answer is option C, Article 7. Hello friends, let's discuss some of the important MCQs on citizenship of India.